Oh, hi y'all! I'm super excited that you're here with me. I hope you're ready to learn how to make the best dang apple pie. Okay, well, it's been a busy day. I've been busier than a moth in a mitten. Wow, here's all the ingredients you need to make the best dang apple pie ever. So all you're gonna need is 2 tablespoons of flour, all-purpose flour that is. Next, you'll need 3/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Next thing you'll need is 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Next, you'll need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, little bitty baby teaspoon. Next thing you'll need is 3/4 cup of sugar. Moving right along, you'll need 1 tablespoon of the wonderful lemon juice. Right here, you'll find a wonderful pie crust, graham cracker pie crust, okay? Ready to bake. Keebler. Then I cut up some apples. Green Granny Smith, I believe that's the name. Apples, okay? And then I used a peeler, peeled them all, and then I used the knife and cut them all, just like this. Oh, no. So we're off like a herd of turtles. Let's get things going. But before we move on, don't forget to preheat your oven to 425. All right, so first things first. All right. Let's look at our recipe. I got it from Pinterest and I will put the link below, okay? So follow along with me, okay? So first off, we're gonna grab 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. All right, now, next up is 2 tablespoons of flour. I rinsed off the spoon because I didn't want to mix the lemon juice with the all-purpose flour. So, going back to that, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons, okay? Next is 3/4 teaspoon. 3/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. So I'm just gonna put it in my hand because I'm just gonna eyeball it because yeah, you can't ever have too much cinnamon, right? All right, now 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm gonna eyeball this too. I think that is perfect. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I have the perfect measurement in this little Ziploc bag, so I'm just gonna dump it all in there. Perfect. Now 3/4 cup of sugar. Oh boy, that's a whole lot of sugar. I love perfect measurements, so I'm gonna dump that a little bit. Oh great, I need a little more. Well, almost. Almost. Woo! Perfect. That's a lot of sugar. Ooh. Goodness, really? How much? Let me see. 3/4 cup sugar. I mean, wow, it's a lot. Okay, well then, a lot of sugar. Coming from somebody that doesn't ever have sugar. All right, now next thing is, I guess just stir it now. Interesting. I'm kind of wondering one little baby thing. And that is, you know, it's supposed to look more like filling. So I'm trying to figure out what's missing. Well, batter me up and call me a biscuit. So, you know, this is my first time creating an apple pie, and I'm, you know, still wondering, huh? So I guess it turns more liquidy the more you mix it. I guess I thought the filling's supposed to look more juicier and more liquidy, but I mean, this is the best dang apple pie, so I don't really know. I guess that it's gonna work out. Yeah, it's gonna work out. Very well, we keep on mixing this little bad boy. This is how it's looking so far. Okay, so it's getting a little more wet. So keep on doing this, you know, and always have a smile on your face, because baking should be fun. It should be exciting, you know? So, plus tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and I have so much to be thankful for. So, I'm gonna just keep on mixing, okay? And then get my crust ready, because I'm gonna pour this into the crust, okay? I really hope this comes out perfect. Uh-oh, I lost a banana. I mean, an apple. Banana. Silly. It fell on the floor. I'm gonna have to pick that up. Well, all right. I'm gonna open this up. Ooh, beautiful graham cracker crust. Okay, now I'm gonna pour this into it. Right? It looks really good. It looks pretty liquidy. I'm pretty excited. Okay, starting to come along. Starting, you know, things are starting to move along. All right, so I'm gonna pour this in there. Ready? Okay. So I forgot to put this on the table, but this is the pie crust that I'm gonna put over the pie. So I'm gonna move this stuff over a little so you can see more, okay? Oh, I've never seen this and I've never used this, so this is my first time. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up. Ooh. Oh wait, well I should finish here. Pat this down, okay? Pat this down. Very nice. I feel like I want to put a dash more cinnamon, because I think it would be a good idea. It would be a good idea, I feel like. You know? Yeah, I think that looks perfect now. Alright, so I'm going to open this. Okay, so I actually want to, I don't want to just throw this on top, you know? I want to make pretty designs. So I'm going to open it up, roll it out. Okay, now this is my first time doing this, guys, so I think I'm doing it right. I'm going to clean this up a little, okay? Okay, well, I guess I could, I'm going to just start chopping away. Okay? It was, okay, so this is great. So I'm cutting it right at the pie crust, okay? All right, this is looking really nice. Woo! This is looking real good. It looks like I've been doing this for years, but I promise you, I have not. Woo! Some people just have it, you know? I'm pretty good at this. And a little bit more. So much fun. Okay. There's another one in here, so I'm going to use that for the rest of it. You know? It works out. Truly does. Looks like a face. Looks like the eyes, the nose, the mouth. Look at this, a face. You know? It's like a side profile. That's pretty dope. Cool. Okay. Keep on working. Fun working with dough. It really is. I'm pretty impressed at how this is coming out. Like, I'm gonna have all these compliments. You know? It feels good, you know, like when you make something, you put your heart and soul in it, you know, and everybody compliments you. Well, I think it's looking beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I'm so hungry I can eat the north end of a southbound goat. Putting the last few pretty touches on the pie. Oh, God, cannot wait. Boy, oh boy, am I getting hungry. Look how pretty this looks. Wow. Goodness. Lisa, you're good. I'm serious, guys. I've never done this before. Wow. I'm very impressed with myself. I feel like I should put like some cute design on it, like a turkey or something. I should make something. Because it's just so cute. Alright, so this is what I got, guys. My first apple pie, guys. Look at this. Beautiful. I think so. Alright, so it's ready to go inside the oven. So before, this is it. So we're going to be cooking that beautiful apple pie for 45 minutes. Time's a-ticking. It is done. Look how beautiful. I think it looks perfect. Thanks guys so much for tuning in. I am so excited about how this apple pie turned out. Look how amazing. Wow. I really think it's going to be the talk of the night, this apple pie. Well, I am so glad that you guys joined me for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and check below to see the full recipe on this girl's blog. And I will put her Pinterest pin and all that below, okay? So thanks again for checking out this recipe of the best dang apple pie recipe. Alright guys, I'll see y'all later. Y'all go back now, you hear?